In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create clipping mask effects in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to place photos or videos inside custom shapes or text for a polished, professional look, with options for both advanced and quick methods. First, use Canva's Clipping Mask app. Open your design, go to the Apps panel, and search for Clipping Mask. Open it and select the image or video you want to clip. This will appear inside your shape. Choose from Uploads, Your Projects, or Canva's Media Library. Click Start Masking to enter the interface. Pick a shape to contain your media, geometric shapes, creative silhouettes, or text-based masks to fill words. You can also use uploaded frames for custom shapes. Once chosen, your media snaps inside, creating a clean container. Refine the fit by repositioning, zooming, or rotating to highlight your focal point. For text masks, use bold fonts so the image reads clearly within letters. High contrast photos work best, and for videos, center the key motion inside the mask. Once satisfied, return to your design. Resize the masked element, add shadows or outlines, and layer it with other elements to create a cohesive layout. For a quicker approach, use Canva's pre-made frames from the Elements tab. Drag a circular, rectangular, or letter-shaped frame onto your canvas. Drop your photo or video in, and it clips automatically. Double-click to adjust the crop and positioning. Frames are perfect for fast layouts, profile cutouts, and letter shapes without extra setup. That's it. Use the Clipping Mask app for custom shapes and text effects, and frames for simple, speedy results. With a few adjustments to positioning and scale, your images and videos will look sharp and intentional inside any shape.